This is Ruby, my new home. I'm gonna show you real quick what it looks like before and after. So when I bought it, there was the bed frame here that I started taking it apart. Not really done yet, still pretty much all there. With the big mattress, we're gonna take that out. The kitchen's gonna be here, so I'm taking all of this out. I'm gonna rebuild the kitchen, and this is the front. Okay everyone, this is Jamie. This is my mechanic. He's driving because he's also my chauffeur, and he's gonna show you how to start the vehicle. So this is Jamie doing all the work.
Hi.
While I eat cereal. Every video is gonna be you working and me just videotaping.
Hold on.
Okay, we're gonna have a dance party before we have no more room in the car. Showed up what we did over here. It's a zebra car.
Hello?
Where's the room? Where's Jamie?
Hello?
Go! Come have a dance party with me. Okay, so I ordered, well, I got a solar panel yesterday, 100 watts, and I ordered a solar generator, and I was really scared it wasn't gonna come in on time, but I just got it. I'm pretty happy about that. So we're gonna open it. So basically, the solar panel will connect directly to this generator, and then this generator will be able to power all my little appliances up to 100 watts. So, and Tom, this is the brand I ordered from. Okay, and there it is. Alright, fire her up, Buttercup.
He's fired up.
So you probably can't see, but right there's a little solar panel, and it's showing us that we're at 12.3 volts, and it needs to go up to 12.6 to be fully charged. And she's plugged in.
Come here, Roots.
A kitty.
Ruby. You can't just do a bolt in the fiberglass,
Yeah.
because it'll just rip out. So you need like a nice big plate, basically.
Yeah.
So...
These are Jamie's homemade arrows.
Solar panel mounts.
That's the bottom plate, and there's
I can't hear you, Jamie. You have your mouse in.
That's the bottom plate that holds on the mount. That goes under the plate.
Mm-hmm.
It's gum.
Yeah. There's the hole for the wires to go through. And, oh, hi!
Then there's 3 bolts, the mount, and a piece of 1/4-inch rubber in between with silicone.
Yeah. Jamie's camera shot. And we're gonna put the solar panel here on these mounts. We're gonna cut this in half. This is our drawing board. Okay, we're using a chalk line, and then I'm gonna show you. You pull it up, and you go like this, and it draws a line. Wow! We have half the roof up, and we're gonna put the other half there.
I'm ready.
Uh-oh. Pinhead. They're not aligned, Pinhead.
This is weird because it's tight.
It's not a big deal, actually. Difficulties. Cut by nails. Alright, we got jack number 2. Jimmy's really happy because we got our roof up. And now we're trying to figure out our bed. Woo! Okay, so I'm cutting the mattress into 3 cushions, and I'm cutting it with a bread knife. Yeah, I'm DJ Bread, I'm cutting wood. She's a little crooked.
Perfect.
This is me painting in a windstorm. Drill, drill, drill. Oh, oh. Hey, you have big guns. Wow. It's too far. What are you making?
Table mounts.
Wow, so good.
Wow.
So we finally got a table in, and we got a little visitor, Ruby. This is a piece of live edge wood that we got. We're gonna use it for the countertop. So it has bark here, pretty cool. So this is the before. We're just gonna sand it down and then stain it. And then it's gonna be cut and ready. Sinkhole. You get it? The sinkhole. We got problems. We have a sinkhole. Wow. My piece of artwork. Chop. What time is it? It's
11:30.
11:30 p.m. and we're working in the dark because we're in a heat wave and we have no choice. Hey.
Yeah.
Are we working on the van today?
No.
We need a break.
We need a
So
break.
we are. Wow! Here. Hi.
Hi.
What you doing?
Wires.
We're putting up the solar panel.
Silicone.
The wires go through here. We've got pretty much the whole kitchen done. Okay, so this is what's going on for our cupboards. So at the bottom we put latches so that doesn't move when we drive. But then at the top, I'm gonna have to glue it. It's probably gonna fall again. So we have these little sticky things which I'm gonna super glue, and then they're just gonna be some extra protection. So in have the sink. So this is the wastewater and this is the actual water. Some sort of contraption that you can build. And then at the top, like this, you just gotta press the button. Woo. And then it drains into here. It's pretty cool. I just got this thing off Amazon. And I could charge it with a USB. And then this here is a stove which I broke when driving because I thought it was bolted in, but it wasn't. So it just pulls out. Actually, there's a latch at the bottom. And then it just pulls out so we can use it over here. We got two little drawers. And then some storage at the bottom. Look at these. I'm gonna hang my wetsuits up on here. We've got a roobs! Open the doors! Move that bus! Woohoo! Stuff on the ground, but this is roobs. We're not quite done, but we're done.